Hey up guys, Dave here. Song number 26, writing 41 songs in 41 days. Today I want to write something with some good vibes. I just really like this time of year. I just like it when the days get longer. So, song 26, let's get cracking.
Oh, sugar. Right. Okay, so today I just want to write something like funky and fun. I've been listening to some James Brown this morning, in particular song, The Payback. I really like that song. And I really want to make something that's quite repetitive and groovy. I'm thinking about just doing like the guitar's not plugged in, but a D major 7 to G major 7, so just a 1 to 4 chord. Like, I really like in The Payback where it has those breaks, there's really cool like stabby motions where everyone just kind of stops. I'll insert it here. I use Easy Drummer, Easy Drummer 2, so I've got a really old version of it, but I bought some packs ages ago. So this is from Hip Hop Grooves. I like this beat, I think it's cool. I normally kind of find a decent beat that I like and then mess around with it. If I could, I'd just play drums, but I can't play drums here. I found that original drum groove that I quite liked. I've found the hi-hat pattern from another drum groove and then put them both together. And I've got this as an initial drum beat. But the next thing I want to find is a bass line. I like playing the bass and stuff. I'm just thinking just to have some fun and create something different to what I normally would. I like the tune track stuff. I've got easy bass. I've never actually used any of the bass lines that are in it. So let's have a look at some bass lines. Yeah, I think there's a nice summery vibe to that. I'm trying to stay on the D as long as possible. So a lot of times chords stay pretty static. It makes the chord changes when they do happen have more of an impact. I might just like have a little noodle with the guitar now and figure out what's going to happen. In fact, let's plug the guitar in. Just do it. The wow wow part, and it's dead simple, and I've kind of just gone with the flow. I haven't gone overboard with it. Basically just going from the root to the major 7th over and over again, and when it goes up to the G chord, I'm kind of gonna back into the thing. I've done kind of variations of that all the way through. Now I need to do some vocals on this, so I'm gonna have a wee, and it's onto the vocals. I've needed a piss for about fucking an hour now. I really do love this time of year. It's probably my favourite time of year, purely because the days are getting longer. So I figured that this is probably just going to be a song about, you know, just liking this time of year. It's just simple, you know. I think it gives the vibe of the song, but I'm just going to add some harmonies and then this one's done.
I've had a lot of fun doing this one today. I think it's got some good vibes to it. I do think there needs to be a bit more going on vocally, maybe some more harmonies and things like that. But overall, for a demo, I'm really happy with it. So if you want to check it out, it's on the screen now. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you tomorrow.